Hello and welcome. Today we want to show you how to use our CompactPlus Connect software.
Yes, what is the CompactPlus software? This is a software for the data acquisition and for the setup of the devices. You can use follow devices with our CompactPlus Connect. This is our CT ratio, CS vision like shown here, CT 4ml and CT laser 4ml.
Yeah, the software is provided on a USB stick, or you can also download it from our website. In the software you will find a temperature time diagram, a video stream if you have connected a video device like our CS Vision, for example, a digital display or even more digital displays for different signals, a menu bar and also a toolbar. The toolbar gives you easy access to main features like laser on off, to make a snapshot, for smart ratio measurement and also to assess our setup.
Right. So in the setup you will have the access to the configuration menu and you can set up the sensor like the signal processing, outputs, I/O pins. If you have the CS Vision you can change the settings for the display or also have the advanced settings. So let us start with the software. Here you can see the temperature time diagram of our CS Vision. So let's go to the setup to see the configuration. So the first tab is the signal processing, where can you adjust the slope and emissivity. And for example, for our CS Vision, you can choose the ratio mode and attenuation settings. Also, you can set up the post-processing, for example, the averaging time. In the output tab, you can use, for example, the analog output or use an alarm. In the I/O pins tab, you have for our CS Vision just one I/O pin, but here you can use, for example, the emissivity settings for external setup the emissivity.
Yeah, on the display tab you can program the LED which you have on the device. So the LED can have different colors for different purposes. So you can show, for example, the attenuation. You can also show the status of the sensor or an alarm. On the advanced settings tab you can select the interface RS485, for example, the baud rate, and you can also select or set up the field calibration. Yeah, on the video tab you can adjust the brightness reduction filter, you have an anti-flicker feature, and you can also make the focus settings and the brightness settings. And last but not least, you have a burst string setup for those customers who want to really dive in deeply in this digital signal processing.